Yeah, this is a nice little backyard they got.
Got a new roof, so that's good. Outside straight. I don't see nothing that needs to be done outside other than you want to change the color of the outside, but that's
Do people ever use like artificial grass?
nah.
Why?
It's ugly.
It is not ugly. Do you even gotta cut artificial grass?
No, it's artificial. It's turf.
Only downside to that is you can't grow nothing, can you?
That's exactly. You can't grow no flowers or nothing. This backyard is nice.
Yeah.
I put another little tiny home back here. Better plant tree. Kind of close. That one is. Actually, both of them are kind of close. We got real plants. It's not bad in here. I like it.
This is one that needs the fixing.
Yeah, look at this floor, it's fake. It's linoleum. These, outdated. I will change them. The wall color is not that bad actually, but all the plugs, see how that plug is over here, gold and black, and it's painted over. Violation, can't have paint over the cover, just can't paint over the
I
plug.
don't think it would be much profit, would it?
Not much, but these floors, it's nice, decent looking, but it's, yeah, I don't like it. I would just put carpet in here. Same thing, plugs would need to be changed. I would change this molding, it's old and need to be repainted, but I would just change it to a different kind of mold. And here, you got the hardwood floors there. This is wallpaper. Obviously, that's ugly. I would change that. I'll keep that. Kitchen. I don't even think I need to explain how ugly this is. I would change, clearly get rid of the wallpaper. I would update the cabinets. Appliances. Actually, I would knock this wall down. Go ahead and step back so you see what I'm talking about. Oh, hold on. I can't knock this wall down, never mind. Because there's steps over here. So, really ain't much you can do, but just get rid of the wallpaper, change the cabinets. What's this? I have never seen this. Scared?
Looks a little sketchy.
Don't worry.
I want to change the option. It's not letting me.
Go. You gotta turn it off first. Better. Cool. There's gotta be a light somewhere. Oh, there we go. I was going to battle a monster.
Yeah, this definitely do some fixing. This looks.
I wouldn't. Basement straight out brick, bro. Sketchy looking brick. You got this big, scary looking hole over there. See, I don't like a lot of basements in Mount Clemens got this. It's like damn near all of them. Got this little area over there. I don't particularly. I don't know. I'm not a contractor. I don't know what it was for. Lights. But to answer your question, is it worth it? It's 150.
No,
This house is 150.
it's not worth it.
They go for like 220. So it's probably not, but I wouldn't give it 150. I wouldn't pay no more than 125. Probably put about, I'll get it at 120. If I get it at 125, I would put, well, I didn't look at the whole house, but It's just cosmetic, so I would put like 25, 30 into it, and then it'd be worth it. Bathroom. Got a brick holding it open. I mean, update the bathroom. Got some little smooth cubbies.
Shit, get something in Ohio.
I know I was thinking about it. Now this up here definitely needs some work. Need new doors.
I don't even feel safe walking on this.
Need new doors. I will put this inside the wall. The windows are new, or they're vinyl, I should say. Wow. Anyway,
I was heavier.
you should hit the gym. So, this is goofy looking.
This looks horrible.
I know. I would carpet this. I would carpet this whole upstairs. Change all the doors. Put some shelves and stuff.
Yeah, this feels so sketchy to walk in.
It is sketchy. But overall, I would definitely buy this.
I feel like it's gonna break any second.
No. No, maybe not. I think it's leaves. But anyway, this is an easy fix. Carpet up here, repaint, new doors, well, this is the only thing that would take some time. It's like taking all these electrical panels and putting them inside the wall, because that's tacky. And I would change the lights. So I have to run the electrical to put the light in the ceiling. Same thing in there. Put the light in the ceiling. Put a better door over here. Put these electrical things in the wall. That's what I would do. And so far, it's only been sitting for like a month.
What's the listing price?
$149.
149.
$149, my boy. Yeah.
Like-
This is a 3-bedroom.
I feel like you can get maybe a smaller house, but way better looking and more modern house for around the same price. than this.
Not in the suburbs. In Detroit, yeah. I can get a whole house that's fixed up for $120,000. $150,000, I can get an amazing looking house in Detroit.
I think I've seen some in the suburbs.
But
In Warren, I have.
yeah, you can probably get one in Warren that's for about $125. It's gonna be half the size of this. It's gonna be a tiny little house.
Way better looking though.
Just depends on what you want. Better looking and smaller.
And it was way more modern. But
The more houses you talking about, like 800 square feet.
nah, it was at least like 1,300.
This house 1,300. Come on.